There's no place like home. Many of us remember that line from the classic film The Wizard of Oz. In her dreams, Dorothy and her little dog Toto just want to go home. And many of us, just like Dorothy, just want to go to a home of our own. Unlike Dorothy, it doesn't have to be a far-fetched dream filled with flying monkeys and not-so-magical wizards. Even with bumpy credit, little down payment, and income that just isn't quite there, renters are becoming home buyers by using rent-to-own programs to get them on the path to homeownership. If finally getting on the path to homeownership sounds good, here are the basics that can get you there. It's pretty simple. When you rent-to-own a home, you're planning for your future but making it happen today. Say your credit took a hit from divorce, job loss, medical expenses, or any other reason. Rent-to-own programs give you the time and opportunity to rebuild your credit while living in the home you want to buy. Maybe you haven't had the opportunity to save enough money for a big down payment the mortgage lenders require. With rent-to-own, there's still a down payment, but unlike that mortgage loan, it doesn't require up to 20% down. Make an initial down payment, and during your rent-to-own phase, you can have the time and opportunity to save even more money toward your down payment. Maybe your income levels aren't quite where they need to be, so you can get into a home you really want. With rent-to-own, you have the time and opportunity to work toward increasing your income, all while living in the house you ultimately want to buy. So if we break it all down, rent-to-own is really about time and opportunity. You're planning for your future, but you're making it happen today. If you would like to get on the path to home ownership, we would like the time and opportunity to speak with you. We'll cover all the details of our rent-to-own programs so that you have the time and opportunity you deserve to be able to say, "There's no place like home." Contact us today and we'll work with you to design the ideal program that gets you into the home of your dreams. Turning renters into homeowners is what we do. Give us a call today and see what we can do for you.